What's up, family? How's everybody doing today on this Thursday early evening? Hopefully every single one of you guys is doing blessed, had a great day, hanging with your loved ones, being safe wherever you're at in this magnificent world that we all live in. This is your boy Hama G. For those of you that don't know, I'm the guy that lets you know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto land. Guys, we're going to be obviously talking about Doge. Guys, I do got some couple positive catalysts for Doge, right, guys? That we're going to dive into here. And then we're going to look at the charts and talk about levels of resistance and support, because we have dipped below our level of support of 21 cents. Now, if you're new to the channel and all that sounds good to you, please consider to like and subscribe. And I will be doing a giveaway, guys, when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We are getting close. One lucky individual will get $300 of free crypto. Now, if you're new to the channel or just stopping by as a visitor and you like free money, what you waiting for? Hit that subscription bell and become a subscriber, and turn it on to all so you can be notified at all times. And none of this is financial advice. It's just me running my mouth on YouTube, guys. Just sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now let's just dive right into the content. As you can see, guys, blood on the streets. Overall, crypto markets are bloodier than all get up, guys. It's just a lot of FUD, guys, surrounding Bitcoin, crypto, Doge. There is just so much going on right now, guys. Like I continue to say, we're in the beginning stages of crypto, of digital assets, of cryptocurrency, right, of acceptance, right? So everybody's giving it a challenge, right, because it's something new. A lot of people are used to good old ways, right? And when something new comes along, people get scared. People don't like it. Why? Because they don't understand it. They don't know anything about it. So it's better to just talk bad about something that you don't know. But for those that of us that are going to be diamond hands and true believers in crypto and digital assets and Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and stand behind it and truly have a strong conviction, it's going to pay off in the long run, guys. You'll wait and see. You know what I mean? I know things look shitty right now because our counts are down, and it never looks good. You know what I mean? When your counts are down and the markets are all red. But overall, all right, guys, let's just dive right into the content. Bitcoin is down 4.13%. It is at 32,704 with 44 cents. Now, people are talking about it dipping back to the mid 20s. You know what I mean? So on and so forth. Now, if we dip, if 30K, if we can't hold 30,000, then possibly we can dip to the lower mid 20s, guys. You know what I mean? Who's to say that we can't? You know what I mean? But I'm still bullish. You know what I mean? I still believe that we are still gonna, we still have plenty of room to run up. Right? Things are just consolidating right now, guys. You gotta hodl. You gotta hold strong. All right. So Bitcoin is at 20 cents. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, right, is at 20 cents. We are at down 8.16% for the day. We had a 24-hour high of 22 cents, guys, and a low of 20 cents of where we're at now. Market cap is sitting at 26.87. Just yesterday, we were at like 30, I think 30.6 billion. You know what I mean? So the market cap has gone down. And volume, though, at least volume is still holding. We're at 1.79 billion, which is better than being in the millions, right? So I'll take the 1.79 over millions. But all right, guys, now let's dive into the charts and see what's going on here with the charts. Let me get myself out of the way, guys. Let me close up. So obviously, guys, you know I like to look at the daily. As you can see, guys, I mean, there's no way around it. If you look, we're on a downtrend. You know what I mean? Look at the last 8 days, right? All these candles represent days, right, guys? As you can see, for the last 8 days, we've been just gradually on a downslope, on a downtrend. You know what I mean? Prior to that, you know what I mean, we had what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 6 days. We were on an uptrend, right? But then we got that indecisive candle there, and then things, you know, hit a reversal, and now we're on a downtrend. You know what I mean? But it's okay, guys. We're just correcting. You know what I mean? It is what it is. As you can see, I have my lines of my black lines here, horizontal lines, right? Those are my levels of support and resistance. 21 cents was a level of support, guys, that I've been talking and saying that we've had for quite some time, and 25 cents was our level of resistance, right? But as you can see, we have dipped below our level of support. So now, if we cannot regain 21 cents, right, at least 21 cents or above, then we're going to have new levels of support and resistance, and then I'll make a video on that. But we can dip as low as 16 cents, guys. That is, in my opinion, that is our next level of support. is 16 cents, right? So we can dip down to 16 cents. We had dipped down there, if you can see here, right? We had dipped down here for 2 days, right? We had hit 16 cents, right? So it is possible that we can dip as low as 16 cents, guys. I'm hoping and praying that we don't, but nonetheless, we can. So keep that in mind. We can continue to dip to as low as 16 cents before we hit that next level of support. So guys, key takeaway is 21 cents is still support and 25 cents is still resistance. And you know what I mean? But if we continue, if we close the day out at 20 cents where we're at now and continue to stay there, then I'll make a new video on some new levels of support and resistance, guys. All right, guys, that's what I have as far as the charts go. Now let's dive into some fundamentals, guys, that could, you know, act as positive catalysts. Obviously not today, right? Not tomorrow, but maybe in the near future, right, guys? But for one, C10, which is a trading platform, also where you can, you know, you trading where you can buy crypto and you can also trade crypto. They're doing a 10,000 Doge giveaway, right? And then in 10 days, right, guys, it'll be done, obviously. And then it tells you right here on how to do it, right? What you need to do, 21 ways to enter, right? And it gives you the breakdown right here. All you do, guys, is just type up cx.10, right? And then it pops up, and then, you know what I mean, you can sign up, right? You just, you know, make an account or just follow them on Twitter and so on and so forth. It tells you right here, right? There's 21 ways to enter, right? I mean, what does it hurt, right, to try and win, right? I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want to give it a shot and try to win some Doge, that's always a good thing, right, guys? Now, I wanted to read this pretty cool article here, right, guys? It's about, it says Elon Musk inspired a German Tesla taxi company to enable Dogecoin payments. Right now, it says the story between Dogecoin and Tesla has a new, somewhat unexpected development coming from Europe. A German taxi company that has only Tesla cars has enabled its customers to use Doge to pay their rides. I think this is a pretty cool article, guys. It says Crypto Potato reached out to the firm called Tesla Taxi Aschaffenburg to check out why it went that doggy road. What's the end game, and what are people actually using the meme coin as a payment method? Now, it says use Dogecoin to pay for Tesla taxis in Germany, right? The German based taxi firm using only Tesla cars made the announcement on Reddit earlier. It reads that the company has become the first taxi in Germany, right, to accept Dogecoin as a payment. That is huge, guys. That's a positive catalyst for Dogecoin. You know what I mean? That's very positive, right? Sorry, guys, if you hear the airplanes in the background. I live pretty close to the Air Force Base, so they're flying around. Sorry. A subsequent post provided more details indicating that customers wanting to use the Shiba Inu inspired meme coin need to have installed a digital asset wallet. They can use it to send the value of the trip converted before, during, or after, but they need to cover the fees if such exist. That's the same way, guys, as doing Uber or whatever, right? You do it online. Same concept, right? It says Stefan Mueller, the company's owner, explained to Crypto Potato that the decision was initially just a cool marketing idea for our business. However, the original Reddit post started trending, leading to more and more people wanting to actually use the meme coin for their payment, for trips rather. It also is worth noting that the company accepts the two largest cryptocurrencies by market cap, Bitcoin and Ether, but it has focused more on Doge due to the recent price and popularity boost, inspired by the next generation and Elon Musk. It says Mueller further outlined that the initial idea to include Dogecoin as a payment method came from his son, who is very interested in Doge and has money invested in it for months. Moreover, his son's inspiration to get into the meme coin came from Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. The billionaire is arguably the most prominent Dogecoin supporter, especially since the start of the year. While his relationship with the primary cryptocurrency is controversial, to say the least, Musk has frequently displayed a favorable approach towards Doge. And we all know that, right, guys? From talking about it on Saturday Night Live, to promising to take it to space, to working with developers on how to enhance the network and everything in between. Now, then it goes and says, being such an influential figure with hundreds of millions of followers, his words reach other celebrities, and the snowball effect started. Tesla Taxi Aschaffenburg is yet another name to enable Doge payments. Another previous example came, from Mark Cuban and NBA, the Dallas Mavericks. Right, guys? So, you know what I mean, guys? Like I said, I just wanted to share this article with you guys, right? Because this is pretty cool, right? I thought there's a pretty positive attribute of Doge, and not just that, right? It's the first company in Germany, right? In Germany to accept Doge. That's saying a lot, right? Doge is accepted in Europe, and you know what I mean, as a form of payment in Germany. Now that's a positive catalyst, if you ask me. You know what I mean, guys? So we have a lot to look forward to. Like I keep saying, we're in the beginning stages. I know right now sucks, guys, because our like I said, because our accounts are down. It sucks, but nonetheless, it is what it is, man. That's a part of investing, whether it's in crypto or stock market. You're gonna have good days and bad days, guys. All right, now I want to close out with this. It says Dogecoin among cryptocurrencies to be accepted by income payments and Flexa partnership. It says global payment leader is partnering with a digital payment network to facilitate transactions made at retailers with cryptocurrencies that include the popular meme coin Dogecoin. Right, just another person, right, that is accepting Doge, guys, as a form of payment. It says what happened. It says Income Payments is partnering with Flexa, the leading pure digital payments network, to offer a seamless way for its retailer partners to accept digital currencies. Flexa backs the transactions with a zero fraud guarantee. Cryptocurrencies that Flexa can help facilitate are, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Zcash. Income Payments is a leader in alternative payments with more than 500,000 point of retail distribution. Merchants partnered with Income will be able to accept digital currencies using its existing point of sale hardware and software. Income has a presence in more than 30 countries worldwide, guys. So now that just makes Dogecoin more available in 30 more countries. You know what I mean? This is positive stuff, guys. And the positive stuff continues to come for Doge, right? So that's why you got to continue to be diamond hands, guys. I know, man. I know it sucks right now. Settlement for the transaction will happen in US dollars of the cryptocurrency of the retailer's choice at no extra charge. As digital currencies grow in popularity and rapidly gain consumer adoption, it's crucial for retailers to keep up with the broad range of payment options. Income Payments President Stefan Happen said, right? You got to either keep up or you get left behind. You know what I mean? You got to stay hip to the skip. You got to stay on what's current. You know what I mean? If you don't stay with what's current, guys, you're going to get left behind. You know what I mean? In digital assets, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. That is all happening now. It says, why is it important? It says that the deal between Income and Flexa could increase the number of retailers allowing customers to option of using cryptocurrencies to make purchases. 500K additional points of retail distribution all over the globe will be able to accept Doge soon. Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus tweeted. That is huge, guys. I don't think you guys might not understand how huge that is, guys. It says Income, the Flexa will offer consumers around the world a meaningful and expanded utility for their digital currency holdings, according to the press release. It says by integrating with Flexa's comprehensive solution for digital currency acceptance, we're helping to unlock powerful consumer spending opportunities for brands and further enrich the consumer experience, Hap said. Flexa has over 41,000 locations in the U.S. alone and Canada, or U.S. and Canada, I'm sorry, guys, where customers can make purchases. This include GameStop, Nordstrom's, Petco, Health and Wellness Company, Lowe's, right? Flexa's SPED-In app, it gives users the ability to scan a QR code and complete a transaction using its Flexa account balance to pay with numerous options at checkout. Income and Flexa said they look forward to sharing more details of retail partnerships who adopt the technology in coming months. Income website lists more than 1,000 brand partners and more than 850 million cards managed annually. The company has over 50 billion in annual transactions, guys. This is huge, right? This is not no little company, right? No little hole-in-the-wall company, guys. Well, this is what I had for you guys that, hopefully this stuff can act as a positive catalyst. Nonetheless, it is positive news. It is positive stuff for Doge, guys. You know what I mean? It just continues to show major adoption, acceptance. You know what I mean? And hopefully we can bounce back above that 21 cents, guys. But this is what I have for you today, guys. You guys stay blessed. Hopefully it was useful, this video. If it was, please consider to like and subscribe and give your boy a thumbs up. Till tomorrow, guys. Peace out.